new world. The Red Planet has a story, and it begins now.
Mars Saga presents another exploration of the Red Planet, focusing on one of its most remarkable surface features, the vast canyon systems that stretch across its landscape. These deep cuts in the surface reveal layers of history and show how powerful forces once shaped the planet. The most famous canyon system on Mars is Valles Marineris, a structure so large that it extends for thousands of kilometers across the planet's surface. It is much longer and deeper than any canyon found on Earth. Its size alone makes it one of the most impressive geological features in the entire solar system. Valles Marineris is not a single canyon, but a system of connected valleys, cliffs, and troughs. In some places, the canyon walls drop several kilometers straight down, exposing layers of rock that formed over long periods. These layers act as a natural record of Mars's geological history. Scientists believe that this canyon system did not form in the same way as river-cut canyons on Earth. Instead, it likely began as a massive crack in the crust. As Mars cooled over time, internal forces caused the surface to stretch and break apart. This created deep fractures that later expanded into the canyon system seen today. The location of Valles Marineris is close to a large volcanic region known as the Tharsis Plateau. The formation of huge volcanoes in this area may have placed stress on the surrounding crust, causing it to crack and sink. This process created the initial structure of the canyon system. Over time, other processes contributed to shaping the canyon. Landslides from the steep walls caused large amounts of rock to fall into the canyon floor. These landslides created wide, uneven surfaces and added to the complexity of the terrain. There is also evidence that water may have played a role in modifying parts of the canyon. Some regions show signs of erosion that could have been caused by flowing water or underground ice melting and moving through the rock. These processes may have widened certain sections and created additional features. The floor of the canyon contains a variety of formations, including dunes, ridges, and layered deposits. These features suggest that wind has also played a major role in shaping the area over time. Dust and sand carried by the wind continue to move through the canyon, slowly altering its appearance. In some areas, the canyon contains deposits of minerals that form in the presence of water. These discoveries are important because they suggest that water once existed within the canyon system, at least for a limited time. Such environments could have been suitable for microbial life in the distant past. The depth of Valles Marineris creates unique environmental conditions. The lower parts of the canyon are somewhat protected from the thin atmosphere above, which can lead to slightly higher pressure and temperature compared to the surrounding surface. These differences make the canyon an interesting location for studying how conditions vary across Mars. Exploring Valles Marineris is a major challenge due to its size and rugged terrain. Rovers have not yet traveled into the deepest parts of the canyon, but orbiters continue to provide detailed images from above. These images reveal new details about the structure and composition of the canyon. The canyon system also provides a clear view of the layers beneath the surface. Each exposed layer represents a different period in Mars's history. By studying these layers, scientists can understand how the planet changed over time, including periods of volcanic activity, erosion, and possible water presence. In addition to Valles Marineris, Mars contains other canyon-like features and valleys across its surface. Some of these are much smaller, while others stretch for long distances. Together, they show that the planet has experienced a wide range of geological processes. The formation of such large canyons highlights the scale of forces that once acted on Mars. Whether through crustal stretching, volcanic pressure, or erosion, these forces shaped the planet in ways that are still visible today. The canyon walls, with their steep cliffs and exposed layers, act as windows into the past. They reveal the internal structure of the planet and provide clues about how different regions formed. This makes them valuable targets for future exploration. Future missions may attempt to explore the edges or even the interior of these canyons. Advanced technology could allow scientists to study the rock layers more closely and search for signs of past environmental conditions. Valles Marineris remains one of the most important features on Mars. Its size, structure, and complexity make it a key location for understanding the planet's history. It shows that Mars was not always a quiet and stable world, but a place where powerful forces shaped the land. Today, the canyon stands silent, stretching across the surface as a reminder of that active past. Its immense scale and detailed structure continue to attract scientific interest and inspire further exploration. Mars may appear distant and still, but its great canyons tell a story of movement, pressure, and change. They reveal a planet that has been shaped over billions of years by processes that continue to leave their mark. Through ongoing study, these massive structures continue to provide new insights into the nature of Mars and the forces that have shaped it. Thanks for watching.